Welcome back to another lesson on grammar. Today we are learning about the basic forms of punctuation and when to use each of them. The first and easiest punctuation is, of course, a period. A period is used whenever you want to stop a complete thought. An example of this is, "Anne went to the park." This is correct because the sentence ends with a period, so another sentence can start. An incorrect use of this is, "Anne went to the park and." This is incorrect because a sentence is not complete, so therefore a period cannot be used. The next punctuation we are learning is the comma. A comma is used to separate unnecessary information, items in a list, or to transition from one thought to another. Take this sentence, for example. Anne's dog, Fido, is a very sweet, loyal, and playful dog. The commas are used in this sentence to first separate the unnecessary information of her dog's name. The name of her dog is not important to the focus of the sentence, but it makes it more specific. The other commas are used to separate different adjectives in a sentence. And a comma cannot end a sentence, but can help continue one. The next punctuation we will be discussing will be 2-in-1. We will discuss exclamation and question marks. Exclamation marks are used to add emphasis on a focus, and question marks are used when asking a question. Example of both is, "Wow, your woodworking skills are amazing. Can you teach me how to get better?" This sentence is a great use of both exclamation and question marks. Now, we will move on to something more advanced. We will be talking about the semicolon. A semicolon is used almost like a period. It is used to end a complete sentence, but also to keep the topic on the same sentence. The next sentence will relate to the sentence before. An example is, "Sarah has an amazing dog. Her dog is brown and fluffy." The semicolon is used in this sentence instead of a period to add relation to a sentence before. Since the first sentence is talking about Sarah's dog, the next sentence relates to the qualities of her dog. The semicolon keeps the focus on the topic. Now, the last and final punctuation we will be discussing are hyphens and colons. These two are used interchangeably. They are used after a complete sentence to join with an incomplete sentence. For example, Kyle has amazing qualities: handsome, smart, and funny. A colon and a hyphen can both be used in this case. The colon or hyphen helps describe something or someone in a list, but can be used instead of commas to avoid repetition in a paragraph. There you go. Now you know all the basic forms of punctuation and how to properly use them. Good luck with your future studies.